first time meeting you in INSOS MIRINO at the corridor market, under the ketapun tree. This heart trembles seeing you. We walked together, looking for a quiet place, then sitting corridor harbor Talu. INSOS MIRINO, your smile makes me speechless. We go through story after story, laughter and longing blend together. That moment I realize you're the sweet soul I've been waiting for. In corridor Taluk I said, with a heart full of love, I confess my feelings to you. INSOS MIRINO, soul idol. The port is a witness, promise of pure love. Your name is engraved forever in this life and heart. The sun is almost setting, the sky smile too. My hands are shaking, holding you INSOS MIRINO. Don't want time to pass quickly. The sound of the waves, a Congolese prayer, so that this love is eternal. From corridor port acts until forever, only you in my heart. In the corridor port Taluk I said, with a heart full of love, I confess my feelings to you. INSOS MIRINO, soul idol. If one day I miss you, I return to the corridor port operator, remembering the most beautiful times. The first time I fell in love with you, INSOS MIRINO.